Welcome to Rangeley. We're one of the best places to visit here in Northwest Colorado. We have a lot to offer. We've got great OHV trails. We've now got an amazing boat ramp here. There's a lot of reasons to come here.
The White River is primarily Class 2. Class 2 is really good for families and for beginners to the sport. This is a good float and a good way to see this part of Rangeley, this part of Rio Blanco County. It's pretty mellow rafting, but that said, there's lots of fun splashes, lots of chances to enjoy nature out here on this stretch.
Come out to Rangeley. This is a hidden gem. People don't realize what's out here, and there's so many things to do. You will not regret it. Come rent some paddleboards at Rangeley Paddleboard Rentals and have a good time. It's better with someone than it is alone. Let's get wild.